Let's start. Listen. With so much of contemplation, you would have seen so many incompletions and the incidents in you. Now it is time. I'm going to teach you the science of completion. I'm going to initiate you, not just teach you, initiate you into the science of completion. This technique and this process, this science, is directly from Mahadeva, the first Guru, Adi Guru, Shiva. This secret process, the most secret technique, was transmitted from Mahadeva to Devi, from Devi to Subramanya, and from there all the masters learnt it. She taught to Ganesha and Subramanya both. Subramanya created the Guru Parampara by teaching it to Brahma and the whole lineage. Now you are getting initiated into that same powerful process. Before that, few minutes I want you to sit and pick up any 10 important incompletions you are having. Let us concentrate on first top 10 and complete them. I give you a few minutes. You look all your notebooks inside, outside. Top 10 incompletions you have. And the incident when those incompletions have started becoming strong in you. Understand? When I say incompletion, it means the past sitting in your present and not letting you live your future. For example, I'll give you this example. Listen. One 6-year-old girl in the school, teacher asks, who is the first Prime Minister? Who was the first Prime Minister of India? This girl jumps and says, Mahatma Gandhi, which is not a right answer. The moment she said wrong answer, the whole class started laughing. Immediately that girl feels she has done something wrong and she decides she will never jump like this, come out and speak openly. And the impact of that decision, even at the age of 50, when she is having a meeting of their company, the team, if she wants to say something, if she has a new ideas, she will whisper to the next person will tell the whole group and he will get the name, credit. She won't speak. How many of you experienced this kind of some of the patterns? I gave one example. Yes. Like this top 10 incompletions you have. Pen those incompletions and the incident when it started. If you are all ready for initiation, please wave your hands. Great. Listen now. Listen to this technique, process. It can lead you to a complete enlightenment. You are going to do this process till you achieve enlightenment. So understand, this one process can give you whatever you want: money, health, contentment, peace, love, enlightenment, whatever you want. This is the most powerful technique. Do it at least for next 3 months every night. You will see your whole life changes. Greatest gift by Mahadeva to all of us is the science of completion. Listen. I am reading out the exact technique I am giving you. Look at your past disidentified. Let attention be at a place where you are seeing some past happening, and even your form having lost its present characteristics is transformed. Now let me explain. Let me explain. Reliving is relieving. This is the key. But remembering is not reliving. Now, whatever incident created incompletion in you, if you relive them, that incompletions will melt down. But remembering is not reliving. I'll explain what is exactly reliving. For example, some incident happened at the age of 10, created an incompletion in you. Now you are 37. If you remain as 37 and remember what has happened at the age of 10, it is remembering. But if you just wipe the 37 you, means you forget that now who you are. Just become that 10. The same intelligence, same logic, same space you had at the age of 10. In the same context, relive. Please understand, anything not lived fully becomes karma in you. Hangovers in you is karma. Anything completely lived liberates you. That is why Zen people, even sipping a tea, they get liberated. If you completely live and sip even a cup of tea, you are liberated. This reliving, just forget what you are now. Your logic, your intelligence, your place, your space, who you are, your inner image, outer image, others image, life image, drop everything. Go back to that age when that root incident happened, when the incompletion happened. Relive as it is. Relive as it is. Relive as it is. At least 5 times. At least 5 times. Relive and relieve. Relive and relieve. So understand, judge what has happened in the past. Completion and completing is right, but incompletion is not wrong. What happened at the time is what happened. You don't need to judge. If you judge, you won't relive. So, relive as it happened. This completion technique will change your very physiology, not just psychology. It changes your physiology. Your Kundalini will be awakened now. Each incompletion, pick up and relive in your inner space at least 5 times. You will see all the suppressed emotions, fear, anger, guilt, shame, everything unwinds and melts down. Your Kundalini is freely able to flow in your body. So, start the completion process. Sit straight, close your eyes, tie the ribbon. Please tie the eye band. Sit straight. Each incident at least 5 times relive. Forget now who you are. Go back to that exact time, space, energy of that incident when it happened. Relive each incident at least 5 times and release. Great. Let's start. Listen. How many of you, when you did the completion with closed eyes, you saw your mind wandering here and there? Raise your hand. Now, next level powerful completion process where your mind will not wander at all. Really completion will happen. Pick up the mirror. In the mirror, visualize and see like your whole incompletion incident happening exactly like a cinema or TV. Pick up the mirror. Forget your present. Just go back to that age when the incompletion incident happened. Start reliving sincerely, intensely in the mirror like a cinema, TV. Please pick up the mirrors. You will see in this process so much completion will happen. Your mind will not wander here and there. This is one of the most powerful completion. The first few minutes only it will be difficult. Suddenly you will see that you settle down to this process. It clicks and simply completion will happen. Please pick up the mirror. Please pick up the mirror. Yes. Close your eyes. First for a few minutes, close your eyes and settle down. Now, hold the mirror near your face, at least 1 feet away. Lock your eyes into the reflection eyes. Now, pick up each incident one by one and start reliving. Reliving and reliving. relive each incident at least 5 times till all the incompletions melt down and those incompletions loses power over you. Shiva. Let's gather for next session. Thank you. Be blissful.